Dzień dobry, hello! So for today's video, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga sample questions that may come up during an interview for an English teacher position here in Poland. For example, nag-apply kayo, tapos nakaschedule na kayo for an interview sa inyong employer. Well, ito yung mga kadalasang tinatanong during the interview process at based to sa experience ko. Unang-una, tell us about your background and experience in teaching English. Pangalawa, what are the teaching methods do you prefer to use in the classroom? Pangatlo, pwede nila kayong bigyan ng situational question. For example, there are a group of students in your class who may be disruptive or less motivated. How are you going to handle them? And lastly, pwede kang magkaroon ng on-the-spot teaching demonstration, so be prepared. For example, magbibigay sa employer ng topic, animals. So, kailangan ipakita mo kung paano mo ituturo yung animal sa mga bata or kung anong level yung tuturuan mo. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Follow me for more. Bye!